Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Running Fred Lite. Your main goal is to guide Fred through treacherous levels, running as far as you can while dodging countless deadly traps. Use your left and right arrow keys to steer Fred, navigating around obstacles. When you encounter gaps or low barriers, simply press the up arrow key or spacebar to jump over them. Remember to collect as many coins and power-ups as possible to boost your score and abilities. Now, let's master some advanced moves. Timing is crucial for clearing wide chasms and spike pits. A well-timed jump can save Fred. For low-hanging obstacles, quickly press the down arrow key to slide underneath them. Some levels feature wall-running sections, allowing Fred to traverse vertical surfaces. Always be vigilant and avoid deadly moving saws, collapsing blocks, and other environmental dangers that appear suddenly. Power-ups are your best friends in Running Fred Lite. Grab a coin magnet to automatically collect all nearby coins, maximizing your earnings. Shields provide temporary invincibility, protecting Fred from one instance of damage. Speed boosts allow you to cover significant distances rapidly, helping you escape tricky situations. Don't forget to spend your hard-earned coins in the in-game shop to unlock permanent upgrades and new characters. To achieve truly impressive high scores, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better your reaction time and muscle memory will become. Pay attention to recurring obstacle patterns. Recognizing them will help you anticipate and react faster. Always prioritize collecting coins, as they are essential for unlocking powerful characters and abilities. Finally, maintain a calm and focused mindset, especially when the game speeds up, to ensure Fred's survival.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.